Food lovers, I've spent the last 4 years mastering this recipe. I'm gonna break down the key components to guarantee that your mushroom risotto is always exceptionally creamy, has an intense mushroom flavor without breaking your head or the bank. Let's get started. Using our dehydrated wild mushrooms, we're gonna let them sit in simmering water for about 20 minutes, strain it out, giving us an intensely flavored mushroom dashi. Pouring in our olive oil and our onions, we're gonna be sweating them down until translucent, and then we're gonna be toasting the rice for another layer of flavor. In a hot pan, we'll be adding our garlic oil and our mushrooms, sauteing them until golden brown and finishing them with salt and parsley. Incorporating our mushroom extraction ladle by ladle until it's perfectly cooked al dente, we'll be adding in our mushroom puree, which is in the video above, our butter, and our Parmesan cheese, mixing it to the right consistency. Creamy, intense mushroom flavor. Follow these tips and tricks that I shared and I guarantee you an excellent risotto every time. Bon appétit.